Grosfillex started as a small family-owned furniture company in the mountains of France about 100 years ago, and we are now a global organization. We're based in Robesonia, Pennsylvania, and we produce a lot of our items here. So I think the biggest differentiator with us is the majority of our products are made in the United States. We're using artificial intelligence to generate customer profitability grading. This is a great benefit because it gives us a snapshot on high, medium, or low accounts, and it allows our sales force to strategize and take appropriate action depending on that grade. It's taking data points that would usually come from multiple sources, and it's all funneling into the AI system. We can analyze hundreds and hundreds of customers in one dashboard, where normally it would take hours, days, possibly weeks. It's almost a personalized dashboard for each salesperson. Using the AI software, I saw immediate results. The AI is providing insights that we didn't have before. In the first week of using the AI software, we saw a 10% increase in revenue on particular accounts. A perfect example is a low-valued customer. We found out they had 10 or 15 of our products out of about 1,000 products that we offer. So we immediately, the call to action was we add to their assortment. So we're gonna double their assortment in less than a week. There was a great example that came up last week to where somebody showed up on my Verse dashboard and we didn't even know we were doing business with them anymore. The first call to action was me getting on the phone with them and saying, hey, I'm glad you're still doing business with us. So it really opened up lines of communication right away. There was one order in the past 12 months. We hope that we're gonna have 100 orders in the next 12 months.
A big challenge in the furniture industry is that even though people know that you cannot have everything in stock all the time, they do expect you to have everything in stock all the time. You might not have a certain product in stock, but we might have something that is very similar that we have plenty of. Is it okay to switch it over to this product? So we're running reports right now that recommends an item that we can substitute with, that we can go back to the customer, recommend, and still fulfill the order, and everybody's happy. Technology and automation is important for us. We would have never thought 5, 6 years ago that we would have a product recommender, and now the system will provide that information for you.
One of the new technologies that we're using is the workflow feature, and we created a new customer activation process. It has improved the time to activate a new customer, greatly reducing the delays and inaccuracies that we previously had in a manual solution. There was a whole lot of email chains back and forth, and nobody knew what the status was. The new workflow solution utilizes a task assignment, and we've gone from 1 to 2 weeks down to 1 to 2 days.
I think the biggest game changer would be involving our time management. Now we have a lot of extra time to just focus on other things. Using the AI software is gonna help all of the Grosfillex employees, all of our reps and dealers, and at the end of the day, the end user.